You know, I think most of you out there are aware that I have stressed the importance of dry firing as part of your everyday training regimen with your firearm many, many times. I just tell people all the time, dry firing is something you should do a lot. It really does help you improve how you pull the trigger of your firearm, how you grip your firearm, etc. So it's very important. Now, the only bad thing about dry firing for practice, I know I like to do it while I'm watching The Walking Dead or the Rachel Maddow show or something. But the bad thing about it is you can't really see if you hit your target. You just have to assume that you hit your target, or hope anyway. Well, today I decided to buy something that will help with that. Or actually, I decided to buy it a few days ago, but it arrived today. And this is what it is. This is a Sure Strike, what do they call this thing? Laser training cartridge. A Sure Strike laser training cartridge. This is a little cartridge that goes in your gun instead of a round of ammunition. It acts kind of like a snap cap, but every time you pull the trigger and the firing pin engages, it shoots out a little laser beam, puts a little red dot where you're hitting. If you use this, you can actually see if you're hitting your target or not. When you buy this, you get a little unit here and you get a battery for it, which you have to put the battery in it, then use it. Now, this is a 9mm sized unit here. It goes into a 9mm gun. Now, you can buy adapters for this to fit other sizes, but the general size of the item is a 9mm. Now, there is also another one for 380 handguns because, of course, those are smaller than the standard 9mm, but you can buy adapters for the 9mm to make it bigger for larger calibers. Now, before we go too far, let's put the battery in this here. I'm assuming it goes in that way. We will see. And let's give it a little test. Let's put it in a 9mm gun, see if it works. Okay, I assume you just stick it in the barrel like you would any round. Not that you would load a round through the chamber like this, but it's in there, so let's close the gun up and let's see if it works. I couldn't tell if it worked or not there. I'm not seeing anything. Did I put the battery in wrong? Let's try. Let's check and see. Let's try the battery the other way. All right, now we have the battery in the other way. Let's try this once more. Let's stick that in, close up the gun, see if we see any laser. Up, there it went. You can see it that time. All right, now that I've got it working, let's take it out and put it in a gun that I actually want to carry sometimes, and that is my 357 SIG Beretta. So I'm going to have to put an adapter on this to get it to fit, and luckily I ordered that adapter when I ordered this. This is the adapter for 357 SIG right here. It's just a little ring. Just got to take that thing apart, put this little ring on it, and I'll be good to go. All right, all you do to put the adapter on is you screw this top back off. Then you drop this on, twist it into place, put the top back on it, and now it should fit in my 357 SIG barrel, and it does. Let's test it here, make sure it's still firing. Yep, still firing. And then I will test it against the back wall here. Yep, still working. Now let's take a look at one of the targets over here and we'll see how it actually does help you see where you're shooting now. All right, I'm about 20 feet back from this one. I'm just going to try it here at 20 feet. Let's just see how it works. Let me reset the timer. Let me hit start. Oh, I hit real low. Let's try it again. Off to the right again. Let's try one more time. I think y'all get the picture here. You can actually see where you're hitting. All right, there you have it, the Sure Strike laser training cartridge. I don't know how I went so long without one of these. I think this is going to make dry fire practice a lot more fun now, so I can't wait to get in the house and actually give it a go.